The Steppe Clan. The Steppe Clan was a large and very successful clan that lived as nomads roaming the plains north of the Great Mountain Range from early spring until late autumn. The clan lived in nomadic camps during these warmer months and spent the colder months camped in a cave in the foothills leading up into the vast mountain range. The plains north of the mountain range were covered with forests, primarily of evergreen trees, although there were deciduous trees in the lower elevations. After the retreat of the most recent glacial period, the first trees to return to the plains north of the Great Mountain Range were the evergreen trees. Most of these trees were conifers, some producing cones that contained edible nuts that men and animals found nutritious and tasty. Deciduous trees and bushes had returned to the plains north of the mountains more slowly after the retreat of the glaciers. Many of these trees, however, produced either fruit or nuts, which were also a good source of food for the clan. But the Steppe Clan was primarily a meat-eating clan and resorted to eating plants and plant products only sparingly. The digestive system of these clan members was not adapted to processing plant products as well as it could have been. Clan members often experienced abdominal discomfort from a failure to completely digest plants after eating some plants and plant products. The Steppe Clan had learned not only to exist in this changing environment, but to excel to a limited degree in the competition for limited resources on which to survive. The Steppe Clan culture over the years had adapted to a warming environment in which there were more lakes and fuller running rivers. Trees and other plants were expanding their presence geometrically, while animals which fed on the plants experienced a surge in their population levels as well. The Steppe Clan culture had developed such that the men had become hunters of the many animals that attributed their existence to the expanding flora, primarily grasses, north of the mountains. In the forests, the Steppe Clan hunted bush-antlered and red deer, conch, and the Irish elk, spo. In the grassier plains, the Steppe Clan hunted wild horses, the occasional woolly mammoth, seasonal reindeer, and the very scarce woolly rhinoceros. Often there were other, smaller game animals available, such as wild boar in the areas where water was plentiful. The average clansman spent his days participating in a hunt, preparing for a hunt, or making weapons. The type of hunt was dependent upon the time of year and the location that the clan chose for its nomadic journeys. All hunts had some common characteristics. Hunts were conducted as a group. The Steppe Clan was a large clan by local standards. Therefore, they had sufficient numbers such that they could separate into more than one hunting group. In fact, for such a large clan, it was necessary to separate into more than one hunting party in order to feed the entire clan. When not living in a cave dwelling, the Steppe Clan fashioned tents made from tree limbs covered with animal skins for their shelter. When the clan moved its camp, they did not carry these limbs, but cut new ones near their new campsite. They did transport the animal skins that they used to cover the shelters. Thus, it was more convenient for family groups to share a shelter. Transport during travel was performed by the use of backpacks and two-man poles on which to attach the packs. Therefore, only a limited amount of goods could be carried. The Steppe Clan employed several hunting techniques, no matter what type of hunt they were conducting. These techniques included the ambush. There were two types of ambushes conducted by the Steppe Clan. One was a hidden ambush, in which the hunters hid along a game trail and waited for their prey to pass by, resulting in a simultaneous attack by all members of the hunting party using thrusting spears. Recently, the Steppe Clan had added a new weapon to its arsenal, the spear thrower.